Hi guys, today we are using this lovely aloe vera plant to make aloe vera powder. Welcome to Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. So what I have here are 6 medium size aloe vera leaves. I first soak them in water, the first water, to remove that yellow slimy stuff that is toxic, and then I put them in water again, and this is how they look. So all the stuff that is not supposed to be there has completely drained out. Yes, so what I'm gonna do now is cut off the thin tip and also this piece here as shown in the video, and the thin tip because there's nothing really much to get from that, and then remove these pricky edges, and then slice it up very thinly because we're going to dry it. So the thinner you cut it, the faster it will dry. I find when it comes to drying, nothing compares with a hot sunny day. So I'm going to go for the sun. This time I'm not going to use no dehydrator. Yep. So as you can see, I'm trying as much as possible to cut them very thin. So I have finished with the first bit, and as you can see, I have arranged it on this baking tray ready to go in the sun. I have also these little bits that need also arranging on another tray. So I am done. As you can see, both trays are finished and ready.
2 days later.
My aloe vera is all dry and it's just a little bit. My coffee grinder is ready, though looking dusty. Don't worry, it's not dirt dust, it's green dust. So let's start the grinding. Oh my, I forgot. I always wear a mask because I can't stand to inhale those fine ground particles. So I've done my grinding, and see, yeah, I need to grind it a little bit more. Add some more and grind. You see this? This is why I wear my mask. I cannot take it to inhale this. It's very fine. That's why sifting it is optional. If you want, you can just leave it like this. I want it somewhat very fine. So I'm going to do some sifting. So there was not much of grinding and sifting because the aloe vera wasn't all that much. As you can see, I'm sifting right there. So the little grams, I put it back. And then this is the final sifting. Yeah, so sift. So there are just very little bit of particles that are remaining, and it all depends on what you're going to use it for. You can just simply leave it without sifting. It all depends what you want to use this powder for. If you know that you can do with a few coarse particles, then just leave it. There you go, my lovely aloe vera powder. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my videos, and thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Like and share. Bye.